Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making the tasty and creamy chicken Afghani. If you wish to watch this recipe in Tamil, click the above link. For this recipe, I'm going to marinate 1 kg of chicken with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next, for the spices, I'm going to add a tablespoon of chili powder and a tablespoon of coriander powder, along with 1 tablespoon of garam masala and salt to taste and some turmeric. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger garlic, and I'm adding 1 cup of thick yogurt. Mix it well and marinate at least for 3 hours. It is better if you marinate overnight. Next, for the cashew paste, in a blender, I'm adding 1 large onion chopped and 4 cloves of garlic. Along with this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. And next, I'm going to add soaked 15 to 20 almonds and half a cup of cashews. Grind this into a fine paste by adding water. Now, in a pan, add 1.5 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. In this, I am going to add the whole garam masala, which is 1 inch of cinnamon and 2 black cardamoms, 4 green cardamoms, 4 cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, along with some bay leaves. Next, I am going to add 1 large onion sliced thinly. Add a pinch of salt along with this to make the process faster, and fry the onions until they are golden brown in color. Next, I am going to be adding the tomatoes, which is 2 small tomatoes chopped finely, and cook this until the tomatoes are mushy. Once the tomatoes are mushy, we can add in our marinated chicken and give it a nice mix so that the onion and tomatoes gets mixed with the chicken. And next, I'm going to add the ground cashew paste along with the chicken and cook this mixture in a medium-high heat. Give it a nice mix and add about half a cup of water. Check for the salt at this time. Next is the special ingredient, which is saffron. This is going to give the chicken Afghani a very unique flavor. So add half of the saffron and use the rest for the garnishing and give it a nice mix. Cover this and cook for at least 15 minutes on a medium-high heat. Once the gravy starts boiling like this, give it a mix now and then. Totally, the gravy has to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. So give it a mix here and there. That's enough. Now the gravy has started to thicken and you can see the traces of oil on the top. Cover this and cook until the gravy is thick enough and you can see the oil traces on the top. The gravy will thicken after you switch off the heat, so switch off the heat accordingly. And that's it. Our creamy and tasty and flavorful chicken Afghani is ready to be served. Serve it hot with some naan or chapati. Enjoy! If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon if you wish to receive further notifications on my future videos.